Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter of your moral science book, that is the real winner. The value we going to learn from this chapter is sportsmanship. So we should talk about what the things we should talk about. For you, what is good sportsmanship all about? Sportsmanship is all about a behavior, how you have to behave with others, how you have to represent yourself among others. Choose any one option or none of the following. So this is up to you, what you should choose. Respect, winning, showing off. What is according to you is the best? Pledge, I will. What should you have to pledge for? Understand and follow that the goal of sports is to exercise, to learn social skills, to have fun. What is for? What do we sports? What is the purpose of sports? So you have to choose from this. This is your self. So these things are given for your self-assessment. And think. What kind of things you have to think? The opponent supporters start yelling and attacking personally on your school. What should your school supporters do? Yell back the same attack and add something new, or pay attention to the game and ignore the opponents, or go to the other side and confront the opponents. So I think you should have to choose the red dotted one. Okay, so these things up to you, and these things signifies that what kind of person you are. Now we are going to start the chapter. So turn the page number 16. The sun dawned bright and shiny on a beautiful October day. It was the sports day for the students of the Heritage Public School. So the name of the school is Heritage Public School, and in an October day they were arranged for the sports day. They had been practicing for days for their respective games and races. So the students has practiced a lot for the races and for the games. Amisha is the name of a girl of that school. Which school? Heritage Public School. Amisha was the favorite to win the gold medal for the 400-meter race. That means it was expected that Amisha should win the gold medal for this 400-meter race. All her friends were standing around the tracks cheering her on. So everyone was cheering Amisha. Hey Amisha, go for it. We are waiting for an ice cream treat, Amisha. So why were they waiting for the ice cream treat? Because they wish that Amisha should win, and she will give a treat of ice cream. Okay. She was feeling the rush that only a sportsman can feel before any event. She was feeling the rush that only a sportsman can feel before any event. So she was very excited also. She was so focused on her run that she couldn't really hear them. So that is the thing. It is the duty of all, it is the rule of the sports that you have to focus on your game which you are going to play, not the others, what the others are doing, what the others are telling to you. That is not the business of you on that point of time. It wasn't just about winning, it was the running itself that made her feel happy. So she felt happy for running, and that is what she wants to do. Her mother had encouraged her from the beginning to take part in sports. So she got the support from her home also. She believed that participation itself gives focus to a person on various things in their lives. So participation is the main thing. If you are afraid of participating in a game, or you are feeling that either you have to participate in that game or not, you will do good or not, that is not the main thing. Everyone is not a winner. The place first is for one person. second is for another, and third is for another person. So everything is destined, but you should have to try it for, you should have to go it for. Okay, so that is the sportsman spirit. A physically fit person can achieve much more than an unfit one. So you have to physically fit for that if you want to play, if you want to represent yourself more good, in a more better way. You will build up stamina to face challenges. So stamina is the most wanted things in this game or sports. Stamina is the ability to sustain prolonged physical or mental effort. You have to give your physical and mental effort to win the game, or to fight in the game, or to struggle in the game. And there are many you will encounter all throughout. You have some competitors, they will run with also you, and they will fight with also you. So fight in the sports, not physically. One of the most important lessons drilled into her had been that of sportsmanship. To be gracious, to respect the true spirit of any sports, that was the most important. So we should have to respect the sports. We should have the respect to others, the other competitors, to our representations, to our performance. She always remembered that. On your marks. So before starting, who is going to instruct you, the person will say like this, and before starting the race, Amisha heard these words: on your marks, get set, go. And with the word go, they started to run, and off they went. Amisha was in the second position as soon as they started. So after starting the race, she was in the second position. She was confident that by the time they got near the finish line, she could easily bridge the position gap to number one. So confidence is good, but if you get overconfidence about your performance, that is not good. That is harmful for you. You should try. You have to try, and you have to give your best performance in every sphere of life. Either it is a race, or it is in your education, or whether you are working somewhere, or whether you are in home also. So Amisha was confident that she will manage, or she will bridge the position, the gap between position one. Out of the corner of her eye, Amisha saw one of the runners stumble and just collapse. So one runner collapsed down and stumbled down and fell down somewhere. The girl did not get up immediately, as most of them did if they fell. It was a split-second decision for Amisha. She stopped and ran back to the girl. So that is humanism. You will read in class 9, when you will get into class 9, there is a poem in your English book that is 9 gold medals. So it is like that. So a person fell down and no one gets notice of that competitor. But Amisha felt for her, and she stopped and ran back to the girl. It was Maya. The girl who fell down, her name was Maya. Amisha did not know Maya as a friend, but had seen her around. She helped Maya stand, and then both of them ran to finish the race. A loud cheer went up in the stadium. So that is humanism, that is sportsmanship, that is the grace of a person. If you are a good person, if you are going to give your best, then you have to behave well. You have to feel for the others. It was only then that Amisha realized that there had been a quiet in the crowd. Everyone was quiet in the crowd. They got a standing ovation. And what is the meaning of ovation? You will get it in the word list. And it is ovation, that means an enthusiastic show of appreciation, especially by clapping. So everyone was clapping for them because she had done a great job. she had done the great thing, which is the representation of humanism. Of course, she did not finish first in the race, but she was still the winner of the day, because she has won the hearts of the people who were present there. Amisha won hearts that day. Her mother felt so proud and thankful that her daughter had turned out to be a remarkable human being. So that is the most important thing. After all, we all are human beings, and we need the support of everyone in every sphere of life. If we do not support each other, then it is not the mark of a human being, and it is the identity of human being to help others. So now, in this position presently in which we are living in nowadays, the pandemic or epidemic that is going on, and everything is out of control of the mankind. So there are many persons who help others, who help others selflessly. So that is the humanism. That is the thing, because we have to live together in this art. We have to live for each other. And you have read about some food chain. So food chain, and like this, there is another chain, that is ecosystem, that is called ecosystem. And in this ecosystem, everything, either it is an insect, or it is an animal, or it is a plant, or it is a human being. Everything or everyone is related with each other, and we have to show our humanism for everything that is belong to the earth. Okay, so if we behave well, then we get the return well. Then we get return well. Okay, so her mother was very proud of her. The principal gave the awards away. In the end, I would like to make a special mention. Look, this is in quotation. That means these words are of the principal. Okay. I would like to make a special mention of the best sportsmanship we have seen in a long time, Amisha. So he or she, we don't know that, mentioned the name of Amisha, because she had shown the humanism and the real sportsmanship spirit. That is a spirit. It's not just winning that is important. It's how we play that matters. Amisha has learned to play it very well indeed. We are all very proud of her today. So everyone was proud of her. So skills for life. While it is great to excel in sports, theater or dance, it's even more important to excel in character. So that is the most important thing in life. You have to learn this, because this is the time to build up, not only to build up your career, this is the time to build up your character at the same time. As a student, you have to build up your career, and first of all, you have to build up your character, and you have to show your performance as a good human being, and that is the goal or the ambition of reading moral science. Okay, so that is all for today, and you have to learn these word notes also, and you read this chapter quite minutely, each and every line. And if you have any kind of problem, let me know in comment box. Okay, so thank you for today.